Well, whether it is COVID-19 or it is anything else, basically it boils down to having a balance. Unless you have a balance in life, when the balance gets upset, then reactions start taking place. Now all this has been created because of lack of balance from the human beings. If we had kept that balance, we would have never reached this stage. Our immune system has been compromised, our ecological system has been compromised, we've compromised everything. The biggest destroyer of nature is the human being. And because of that compromise, now we are having to step back and think as to what we should be doing. So this is the Lord's way of teaching us that, we need to step back. When was the last time we saw such clear skies? When was the last time we were able to breathe fresh air? Today at night, at least you can see the stars. Otherwise, there was a film of pollution where you didn't even get to see the stars. And if you see, it's basically in India, it is the cities which have more COVID, who have to deal with COVID rather than the rural area. And cities is because of the pollution. Delhi, Bombay, it's the level of pollution. We've destroyed the immune system, and COVID-19 is to do with the respiratory system. And so with all the pollution, the lungs have become weak and you've become prone to infection. So we need to keep that balance in life. We used to have all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So that's the balance. Child says, I want to play all the time, I don't want to study. As a parent, you would say, well, there's a time to study and there's a time to play. So in essence, you're teaching him to keep a balance. So if we are able to bring about that balance back into our lives, 24 hours in a day, sufficient time to work, to take out time for your family, and to take out time for your spiritual side. So that's the balance we need to pull ourselves back to.